In this Tkinter video tutorial, we will learn how to find out the height and width of our display or screen using Tkinter. So this is the width of our screen and this is the height of our screen. So let's find out. We are going to print it. So I am taking a variable first. This is width, and we can find out using .winfo method, which is window info, and after giving a underscore you can directly write screen width, and this is a method. So there is single braces. Now that's it. If you print it, you can get the value. You can see here in the console I have got the width of our display. Now it's time to print the height of our display. Just copy it and paste it here. Now this time I am taking the variable as height, and instead of screen width you have to write height. That's all. And you can print the height as well. There is a spelling mistake. Now you can print it out. You need to close the previous window first. Now let's run it. You can check the height and width of our display has been printed. So that's it for today. We'll see you in my next video.